Hi there. This is the smart camera with 360 degrees panoramic view and motion tracking. This is one of the few cameras that we have that can actually track movement as it progresses. So if there's movement that goes on within that room, it will continue to follow it until that movement has ceased. This camera also features a 1080p high definition video camera, two-way audio, so you can both receive and emit sound from a remote area, as well as night vision built in. It is all controlled via an app software that you simply download on your phone, which does not involve any hidden costs. It is free to use. And of course, if you'd like to save video footage afterwards, all you require is a memory card. Included inside the kit is going to be, of course, the main camera body itself. This does feature a built-in tripod on the bottom that screws directly into the included mount, which is flush mount. You can, however, also side mount it onto, of course, any vertical panel as well. On this unit, of course, you've got the built-in camera towards the front with the infrared already tacked on. You have the indicator light here at the top. And if you rotate it just to the back here, we've got the built-in two-way audio speaker, the on button just down here, and the reset and charge button just there as well. To go through the next process and actually getting the camera set up, the first step that we want to do is then download the O-KAM PRO application. This is a free-to-use app both in Android and iOS. So I'm just going to quickly go into that one here. You can see it comes up with a page in the front where it says add new device. That's pretty much where we want to start off with. So we'll press add.
Powered on the device. Scan the QR code on the device.
There's going to be that prompt, of course, that actually comes up. Now, of course, what we want to do on the camera is just that power button on the bottom there. Just hold that down for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. You'll then notice on the front here, a little blue light will illuminate. That's pretty much now in pairing mode. Now, the next step that we actually want to go with is connect via wireless camera. So if I'm just going to press that one there.
Power switch of the device. Press and hold the reset button on the device for about 5 seconds. Wait for the device's voice prompt or see the indicator light is always on, and then click next.
Perfect. So now once that prompt has already gone through, what we want to do is we want to hold down the reset button right there on the top there for about 5 seconds. I'm just going to do that really quickly. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So that prompt has now come up, meaning that it's ready in pairing mode. So now all you need to do is hit that tick where it says, I have heard the pairing tone, and press next. Now it's going to search for the device nearby, of course. In pairing mode, it'll find it immediately.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Please check whether the device supports 5G Wi-Fi.
Perfect. Now it's taken us to the section now where we need to select our home network to hook the camera up to. In this case, of course, it's automatically prompted the network that the phone is connected. And all you need to do once that's already correct is just scroll down and press next. Now it'll confirm all of the details there.
Point the QR code on your phone at the device lets and keep it 15-30 centimeters away until the device makes a beep sound or the indicator light stays on.
Perfect. Now in this case, what we want to do is take the actual camera and point it towards the QR code. You will hear that beep, meaning that it's just gone into pairing mode. And this process does take anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds. So we just let it do its thing and then it'll go into pairing mode. So I'm just going to leave this here. You will hear that audible beep as well. Perfect. Now it's gone into the binding device mode. So now we can basically name the camera whatever we require. In this case, let's say you want it for the living room where your dogs normally are during the day, for example. So I can just select that and press get started. This will now go through a binding process, which can take just up to 30 seconds for it to fully tether to your Wi-Fi connection. Amazing. Now it's just gone into the choose installation location. You can basically tell it to hook up to a certain area where you can check Wi-Fi signal. In this case, of course, we can see that it's strong, so that's perfectly fine. We can press done there, and it'll ask us for a couple of basic setting prompts if you want push notifications if motion is detected, or of course, if you would like motion detection, of course, just continuously on as well. We can select those too. And all we need to do from here is press get started. And then if I hit play, it's pretty much good to go. You can also see that this is a pan, tilt, zoom style camera, so you can rotate it both left and right as well. If you guys have any questions, please reach out at any time.